Hi guys, good evening. This is Gaurav here.
Hey guys, I'm Vaibhav.
So, Vaibhav, interesting day, right? How was your trading day
Hey,
today?
what an amazing day to trade today.
Right. So, as you say, it's a good day for bulls today. Nifty went above 10,000 and could sustain it, and it is about 10,000. And it's a special day for us as well because our target of 16, for our target of Reliance Industries has been met. We had given a target of 1650 to 1680, and Reliance has seen a high of 1660 plus. So yes, so yeah, it's a good day, and I think you have some other stock like Reliance in your kitty.
Yeah, so I think today HDFC was somewhat like Reliance. So I think
Okay.
let's cover HDFC today in our video.
Okay, so you feel that there's another stock like Reliance, and let's do an analysis on HDFC Limited. That's what you mean, right? Let's go ahead.
Yeah, let's go on with it.
So I'll just help you out with the technical chart now, and you can just guide us. So this is the chart of HDFC Limited. So yeah, Weber, what do you see here on the daily chart of HDFC Limited? Could you just help us out?
So tomorrow, last night we spotted a pole and flag pattern. If you remember, we spotted a
Yeah,
pole and flag pattern on
on
HDFC
daily
Limited.
chart. Yeah. Even I had
Daily
posted it
chart.
on my LinkedIn. So yeah, I'll
Yeah,
just help you out with that. So let me just
yeah.
draw. So yes, this is what we had spotted yesterday. This pole is here and a flag. Let me just help out people. So yeah, guys, this is what we had spotted. For our critics, I'll just make the flag properly, or else people will bash me on LinkedIn as usual that it was not a proper flag. So yeah, somewhat. Let me complete it. Yeah. So this is what we had spotted: a bullish
Yeah.
flag pattern, right, above, and there was a breakout two days before, and yesterday stock did manage to take support at the upper end and did close in red, but it didn't give us a false breakout. It was a breakout, but it had a red candle
So
confirming that.
we saw
Hmm,
it was facing a resistance at 1845 level.
true,
Okay,
true,
as
yes,
the
yes.
chart, and if we see like it broke that today, and the next resistance that comes on is on 1980. So
Hmm,
if it sustains above 1850, I see this stock flying around, goes going to 1980.
yeah.
If it continues with the same run.
So I think so. You're talking about this thing that we had spotted a bullish flag pattern, and
Yeah,
but we didn't take a trade because we were expecting some resistance here. And yesterday, that's what happened. Stock had
yeah,
scaled a high of 1845 plus, but couldn't sustain above it, and it went
oh,
down and
yeah,
closed in red. So
red.
we could see that it was facing resistance near 1845. So people, it was facing resistance near 1845, but today it has managed to give a close above that level, just above that level, but it has managed to close above that level, which justifies strength in HDFC Limited.
Exactly.
And if I may just help out Webhub with one more thing, that it may face a certain resistance near 1930 level. 19,
1925 or
yeah,
1930 level.
1925, 1930 level. So let us just keep one more resistance in place. So these are two resistance level on upside. One is 1930 and another one is 1980, which is on the higher
1980.
side.
Yeah.
So if HDFC Bank, sorry, HDFC Limited maintains its level of 1845 plus, we are expecting it to scale 1900 or maybe a 1920 in coming days. And if 1930 is sustained, we can see 1980 and
It going to
other
1980.
levels.
Yeah.
So I think it's a good bullish trade in upcoming, like for upcoming week or upcoming 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So yeah, people, you can just watch this stock out because we feel it is ready for a mad bull run, right, Vaibhav?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so
Completely
let us
sure
let
about
us yeah let us check out some derivative data about it. Okay, so this is the option chain of HDFC Limited. Yeah, it's just the option chain of HDFC Limited. Second, I'll just go slow because many people have requested me to go slow here. So to help you guys out, I'll just zoom in. First, I'll explain the call side and then we'll look at the put side, which gives us a better idea. So let me just zoom in here. And guys, this is the call side. And if you notice, the highest open interest currently on call side is at 1900 strike here. Is at 1900 strike. If you just notice this. Okay. So we are expecting this stock to face resistance near 1900. If because there's highest open interest built up here, highest writing is also seen here, so we expect it to face some resistance. That is why 1930 level, which we had, that is why we had added that another resistance level on technical chart just to give us an idea. Okay, but what may happen if this is crossed? If HDFC Limited crosses 1930, we may see some short covering. We may see short covering at this level, and with that momentum, we may see HDFC Limited breaking 1930 on the higher side, right, Vaibhav? That is
Yes.
why if you notice, the second highest
2000,
open interest is built up at 2000 strike.
2000 level.
Yes, 2000 level is also important. So if HDFC Bank is able to cross 1900 and sustain above it, we expect it to make a journey towards 2000, where a second resistance lies, that is 1980. So just remember, there are two things. HDFC Bank should sustain 1845 to maintain its 1930 journey. If it maintains its if it's able to sustain above 1900, we expect the stock to run till 2000 in coming days.
Yeah.
Right, Vaibhav? But this is on the upside. Let us look at the downside as well, because people will ask for support. If anyone is here or is already trading in HDFC Limited, so let us give them that level as well. So just a second. I'm sorry, I'm just sorry. Okay. So if you notice, the highest open interest currently lies at, just let me just reconfirm it. Yeah, the highest open interest is at 1700. So derivative data shows support at 1700 because this is the highest open interest right now. But what is important to notice is that 1800 strike has seen highest number of put writers. They've seen the highest number of put writing, right? That is 1800 level. So put writers are expecting that HDFC Bank HDFC Limited in coming days will not cross 1800 on the downside, and that is why they are maintaining a heavy position here. So if 1845 sustained, put writers will start shifting their position from 1700 to 1800. So I expect this to become the new support. So I think 1800 would be a good support, and anyone who's still in HDFC Limited should consider 1800 as if it breaks 1800, then exit this. And if it is able to maintain this level, I don't think so there's any problem with this stock to hold for long term. So yes, so derivative data and technical data both are showing strength in this stock. So what do you expect, Vaibhav?
I expect it to have a good run in coming weeks, considering the strength the stock is showing and the technical analysis from the graph that we have done. Still, 1800 is an important mark that should be maintained. But once it crosses our 1900, it is surely running about 1930 and 1918 coming weeks.
Great. So yeah, guys. So we expect this to be a good stock for upcoming week or a couple of weeks. So important levels are 1800 and 1845 downside. 1845 is the support which it needs to maintain for a bull run. Okay. 1800 it should not break to exit. So if it breaks 1800, exit. Don't wait. If it holds 1800, relax. Don't worry. You will see some run there. On upside, 1930 and 2000 are two targets. 2000, I would say 1970 to 2000. Let's give them a range, because there are many people who actually will wait till 2000. It's better to give them a range rather than giving them a perfect target. Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah. One more thing, guys, this video is only for educational purpose. Our targets are only for your better understanding of technical analysis of a script. Please do not consider this as a buy or sell call. This is purely for education, nothing else. And we have some requests from you guys that you guys want us to analyze more stocks. So if you want to analyze more stocks, can put your scripts recommendation in the comment box. One more thing, yeah, we'll be giving the link for our Reliance Industries analysis. So those who have missed it, please check out the link in the description.
Yes, guys.
All right. So thank you, guys, and do watch us come again.
Have a good trading session ahead, guys.
Oh yes, yes. Chalo. Bye bye.